everybody, and welcome back to Joy Ride. We are headed east out of Big Bear. We're taking 38 back down the mountain. I was kind of going back and forth on if I wanted to go 18, go back toward the west again, how we came in, because the views were killer, or if I wanted to take 330 down. But we're going to take 38 east, check it out, feel it out, see what's going on, and see if this is the good way to get out of Big Bear.
Around the Los Angeles area has always stunned me. You know, because right now we could be in Northern California. Earlier we could have been in Colorado. You head east out of LA, you're in the desert, you're in Arizona. It's insane the amount of topography that's so amazing to ride through just outside of Los Angeles. Like, it's crazy. I mean, if you stay in Los Angeles for a week, you can hit desert, mountains, forests. It's nuts. Absolutely insane what's available riding wise out of LA. It always is. It's so good. It's so good. Do the exact opposite of what I just did. I think with the extended views west of Big Bear, that would look better coming down, and you know, on the east side of Big Bear, the views are a little bit closer, so it'll be a little bit better going up. But either way, you can't go wrong. I mean, that's just like ridiculous. So definitely don't want to get off this bike though. So I'm gonna go make a few phone calls to see if I can borrow this for just a few more days. Maybe head north, go check out some big trees. In the meantime, please hit like, hit share, hit subscribe, hit the alarm bell, and until next time, catch you in the wind.